This is going to be the first part of 5. Here we're asking to find the surface area of this rectangular prism. We're going to break it up into its parts. Here the net, I think here we have 2 parts of it, and the first part is 4 and the side here is a 3. Okay, and again we're going to have 2 of these of this, okay, rather than just okay. Then next we have the front green ones, and that is 7 times 3, and again we're going to have 2 of these. And then you're going to have the top part, which is this, and that looks like that is a 4 by 7, and we're going to have 2 of these. Okay, this is how the net looks like. So here we're going to find the area. So 4 times 3, this is 12. This is 21, and this is 28. Find the area of each. So the surface area is going to be 2 of that 12 plus 2 of that 21 plus 2 of that 28. Right? So we can just plug this into the calculator now. 2 times 12 plus 2 times 21 plus 2 times 28. This gets you 122 inches squared. Right? There you go. So what I did is I drew each piece out. See if any of them repeats. I can write 2 of these or 3 of these. Then I just add them all together. That's what the surface area is. Adding all the surfaces together. For B is very interesting. Okay, so do we, nope. So we have the top part, which is this. Do we have a top part? Yep. This is, oops, sorry. It's actually a rectangle. So the top rectangle, which is blue, it is a 13 by 8, and we have 1 of these. Okay. Then we have that side orange one right here, which is a 5 by 8. We're gonna have 1 of these. And then, ooh, we have a green triangle. This is 12, and this is 5. Okay, we're gonna have 1 of these. Okay. Then we have that bottom square part, which is a 12 by 8. We're gonna have 1 of these. Okay, let's see. Top. Oh no, you're actually gonna have 2 of these. It's 2 of these. Okay, because look, the reason why is, do you see how this back is also the green value of that triangle? So 2 front and the back, green triangles. The top is a blue, right side is that orange, and the bottom is that. Perfect. All right, so now let's find the area of each. So the area here, 13 times 8, and that is 104. 8 times 5, that is 40. 12 times 8, that is 96. And this one is, again, this is 1/2 base times height, right? So it's 1/2 base times height, and this is 30. Okay, so the surface area is going to be the 104 plus 40 plus 2 parentheses 30, because there's 2 of those, plus 96. So it's 104 plus 40 plus 2 times 30 plus 96. That's going to get us 300 centimeters square. That it would be the surface area.